If your company has a quality department and/or quality personnel, it's important to configure their employee settings correctly. These settings help prevent mistakes, reduce confusion, and protect your company from manufacturing errors. To review or adjust these settings, from the home page, click on View. Hover over Settings. Click on Employees. Next, select an employee who will be responsible for quality and then click on Edit. First, locate the setting set as Certificate of Conformance. When this box is checked, this employee becomes the official signer of the Certificate of Conformance. That means their name will be associated with the certificate. They are the authorized quality representative. They are accountable for final quality approval. Important. In FloorVisio, at this time, only one employee can be designated as the Certificate of Conformance employee. Next, you will need to upload a PNG image of the employee's signature. The signature file will automatically populate on the Certificate of Conformance. Provide a professional official appearance and eliminate the need for manual signing. You need to make sure the image is clear, cleanly cropped, and saved in a PNG format with a transparent background. Once uploaded, the signature will automatically print on all certificate documents signed by this employee. Finally, locate the Setting Quality selector and make sure it is checked. When enabled, this setting allows the employee to access quality functions, but only after scanning the barcode in the upper right-hand corner of the work order. This ensures the correct work order is physically in hand, the barcode has been verified, the quality options become available. This process prevents accidental approvals and ensures quality is always tied to the correct job. These settings matter because quality is not just a checkbox, it is accountability, it is traceability. And it is customer trust. By properly configuring these settings, you create a controlled, professional, and compliant quality workflow inside FloorVisio. Set it correctly once and let the system protect your process every day.